That's it. I'm on the other side of woods to where we walked yesterday. We had heavy winds, heavy rain last night, and you can see most of the leaves have come off. So that's it. Autumn over, and we're into winter. Of course, what we do now have is lots of very pretty leaves on the floor. And look, some blue sky. I don't guarantee it lasting long, it's pouring away here, but we'll make the most of it while it's here. When that little bit of sunshine comes out, it makes so much difference. Look at that change. This way, Merlin, you were right. Good boy. Well done, guys. Good boy. Ah, just lovely. Good boy. We're back out the woody section into some gorgeous sunshine, and I'm going to end up falling over because this is incredibly slippery. This is why I much prefer filming on my GoPro these days, because I can keep that at an angle in my hand, seeing the view, but I can look up and see around me a lot better. And it's like, it's all over. They've obviously been doing lots of clearance work around here, haven't they? I shouldn't be surprised because it happens every year, but I still think it's sort of pretty mad that it's basically one night or one day can be the difference between us looking really autumnal and then probably looking like winter's on the way. And we're suddenly back to green being the predominant colour out here. Okay, we've got machinery in the woods today. A bit like the sign yesterday. You can see just how bold Merlin is and how he hangs back. Just to make sure it's not going to eat her. Oaty, get out of the equation and let them play. Yellow. That's one way to tie them out. We've met you before. Yes.
Do you all stay together like this?
Very much. That's us done. As you saw, Mighty got to have a lovely play with Gorgeous Golden that they've met before. So that's brilliant. So I've got 2 dice. Very happy, tired, muddy dogs. We can all head home. So take care everyone. We'll see you all soon.